Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an application with Claude AI. So as you can see, I am now currently using this application. So thanks to Claude AI, and if you want to create an application that would be like easier for you to create, no need to create, or let's just say no need to think of code, something like that, then Claude AI will just basically do that one for you, do the task for you. So all you have to do is to create an account here on Claude AI, and then this is what it looks like. Take note, you can do this or you can create an application for free. But if you want to have more access to their features, then you can upgrade your account into Pro. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So this is Claude AI interface. And as you can see, I'm currently using the free version. As you can see, all you have to do here is ask or paste the prompt. There is this option like write, learn, code, live stuff, and Claude's choice. But first, let us know what idea, or let's just decide what kind of application you want to ask here or you want Claude AI to create. So basically, for step one, you need to decide your application idea. So before coding, be very clear. Simple application ideas like to-do list. Yes, you can ask Claude AI for that. Prayer reminder application, budget tracker, code generator, and simple chatbot application. So for example, you can ask Claude AI for a daily prayer reminder application. So we will be focusing on prayer reminder application. So there is this example right here, like daily prayer reminder application. So we will be asking Claude AI to create this daily prayer reminder application. So step two, once we are decided of what application we want. So you have to go to Claude. You need to sign in to Claude AI. It's very easy to create an account on Claude AI. Just connect your Google account, or you can create an account using your email or your password. There is also a prompt example here. So help me design a simple mobile application for a daily reminder. And all you have to do is to paste it right here. So as you can see, help me design a simple mobile app called Daily Prayer Reminder, include features, pages, layout, and so on. You can add more features to that. And here it is, the design. So basically, Claude AI will give you the idea of what type or what design. And all you have to do is to just change this if you want. You can add more core features. You can change the prayer time page. You can delete or add notification reminders idea. You can change the settings idea or navigate layout for the bottom tab. You can change the bottom tab here if you want. Also, you can change the key technical features, or if you're okay with everything, then you can now proceed with the application. So as you can see, this is the idea. So once Cloud AI gave you that idea, then you can now ask for the application to run. So for beginners, you can use simple frameworks like HTML, JavaScript, web. All you have to do is copy this and then paste, or there is this example prompt right here, like create a simple prayer reminder application using this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So Claude will generate code like interface, logic, basic. So let's try this one. Just copy, go back to Claude AI and then paste the prompt right here. Let's see what Claude AI can create for us. So press enter or press this, tap this arrow facing up, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So this is the application. As you can see, fully functional prayer reminder application. So you can just basically explore for home, prayer settings, and so on. So basically, this is the application. Now, if you're not satisfied or contented, you can change. You can ask Claude AI to add more features if you want. So for the key features, you have it right here, home tab, prayers tab, settings tab, and so on. So all you have to do here is to add or delete. If you want to add more features, just ask Claude AI to add that. If you want to delete features, just ask Claude AI to delete that. So as you can see, this is the application. All you have to do is to maybe download this or copy, and then you can run this to any tools that can create a fully functional application. And basically, that's it. So, also, if you see any errors, then you can ask Claude AI to fix the error for you. Also, aside from that, you can just ask Claude AI to create the application without the following steps. Like you can just basically paste the code if you have. As you can see here, I asked Claude AI to add this feature like player history tracker. And as you can see, these are the informations, the features. So as you can see, I'm currently using the application to test it. And yeah, basically that's it. That's how easy it is. You can also ask Claude AI to run the application and let's see what will Claude AI generate for us or do for us. So all you have to do here is to just explore, create a prompt, ask more, and this is what it looks like. Now, basically, you can download this, the code HTML. You can also publish. So this is the application that Cloud AI have created for us. Now, if you want to just paste directly the code, like if you have your code already and if you want to see the outcome of the code that you have created, then all you have to do is to just basically copy that code and then paste it directly to Cloud AI and see the result. By then, you know what are the things you need to change for the code or what to delete, what to add. As you can see, this is the sample of the application. So it's really good. Now let's just try to paste the full simple mobile application code. So let's see what will be the result without doing any prompts. Like you just have to copy this prompt already and then paste it to Claude AI and let's see what will be the result. So let's just say this is your own code, okay? And if you want to see the result of your code, then you can just ask Claude AI for that. Now, if you're not contented with the result of your code, then again, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can change that, you can delete, you can add features, but this is what Claude AI can do for you. So all you have to do is download the file, copy the clipboard, or change whatever you want to change here. So it's very detailed. So this is how easy it is to make an application with Claude AI for free. No need to upgrade, no need to unlock other features. All you have to do is to create a Claude AI, generate a prompt, or ask Claude AI for the code, or run the application, and Claude AI will create the application for you. And here is the result. So basically, this is what it looks like, and this is how easy it is to make an application with Claude AI. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.